This episode of The Basic Art of Italian Cooking by Maria Liberati is brought to you by the Ousia Fountain by Ousia Labs. We're going to explore your essence. I am making a broccoli pesto with a black pepper extract from the Ousia Fountain. And you know, everybody always thinks of making pesto with basil and pine nuts. I'm doing something a little bit different, and we're going to top our pasta, a rigatoni pasta, with a broccoli pesto instead of tomato sauce or basil pesto. So the ingredients for this broccoli pesto is, of course, a pound of broccoli florets, and you're going to blanch them just for about 2 minutes so that they remain green. After you've taken them out of the water, you're going to soak them in ice water just for about a minute so the color stays green. And then you're going to dry them on a paper towel. I have 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with the black pepper extract from the Ousia Fountain swirled in. And I have 4 tablespoons of walnuts. I'm going to put in 2 garlic cloves and 4 tablespoons. I actually have 2 tablespoons of Parmigiano Reggiano grated and 2 tablespoons of Pecorino Romano. With the black pepper extract, the Pecorino and Parmigiano will work really well. And notice I'm using walnuts. People always use pine nuts in pesto, but I love the way the walnuts mesh with the black pepper extract. So we're just gonna put everything into the food processor and top our pasta. So first, as I said, I dried off my broccoli, and I'm going to put everything in the processor. We're just gonna put half of the oil. Now, I whisked in the black pepper extract from Ousia Fountain. Okay, so I used half of the oil. Okay, and I'm going to add in the other half of the oil, and maybe just a little bit more oil. And I ended up boiling the pasta in the broccoli water, so you're saving water, but also giving the pasta a little bit of a flavor from the broccoli. So we're gonna top our pasta with the broccoli cream, and you're gonna toss the pasta around, and we're gonna sprinkle it with some more Pecorino Romano and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. If you want the sauce, this is a thick sauce, thick pesto. If you want it thinner, you can also thin it out by adding in some pasta water. So leave a little pasta water from the pasta that you cooked and add it to the pesto before putting it on your pasta, and you'll have a thinner sauce. There you have it, the broccoli pesto on rigatoni. This is Maria Liberati. Peace, love, and pasta.